Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, June the 15th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. Sudoku with 0 stars, Sudoku with 1 star, we have a Sudoku with 4 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, in Dutch they call it Cypher Block, in Japanese Suguru, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. First one, 6586. 6586. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in addition, this will be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright? So let's get started. We have a 1 in this column, last column, 1 in that column, so the column between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we see 1 in the second row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, you see 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can't see. Digit 1, number 1. Alright. Okay. Then. 9, 7. 5 in this column. 5 in that column. First column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column, so the column between second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this row, the last row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the third column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. Well, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Then. How about 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 9. Here can be a 9 because we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. Here can be a 9 because we have a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 in this row should be there. Then 4. How about 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 5. It should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the last row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, first row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there, and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Alright, okay. And now 8, 8, 8, 8. How about come on 4, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and 7. We have a 6 and a 7 in the first row, so no 6 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 6 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 7, 6 and a 7. So the other pair in this big square, the numbers 1 and 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6 and the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1 and 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3, 3. 6, 6, and 7. Well. How about 2, 2. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the last row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. 4 and 8, we have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 4 goes there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column between, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the middle row, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. Can I count? No. Cannot continue with the 8 now. Need to wait. Alright. Let me think. 6, 6. 6. I need a 6 here. 2, 5, 7. 5, 7 and 3. Yeah, we need a 3 here. Means that with 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 in this box. Here can be 3 because we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. So 3 in this row could be here, could be there, here or there. We see another 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes and there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the row above, no 8 there, so the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. digit number 3, number 8. Yeah. One box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5, 5, 5, 5. 7 and 2. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 7 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then. How about? Yeah. 5, 7 and 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 3 and the 7, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, last column, 3 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this column should be for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. Well, 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 and 7, we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square from us. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well. Faster, definitely faster than 50 minutes. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. Yeah, until then, bye-bye for now.